this is Professor Ajay Maske Patil, Director and Founder of Cosmos Spoken English Academy. As all of you know, we are working for the LSRW method, that is the worldwide technique to become the fluent English speaker. Those who have the desire to achieve the good command on English language, those who want to speak English confidently, fluently, so we are conducting such session. And as all of you know, the importance of Latur English pattern. Anyone can join this session from the first standard to retired person. Anyone can join this session. We can teach to them, we can make them the future of the students with the help of English fluency, and that is the worldwide technique. I am also the author of Cosmos Speak and Shine. So today we are conducting such an interaction in front of camera, and the main motto behind that we need to check the confidence of our student. So beta, first question to you is, can you tell me something about yourself, about your education, about your family background? So you have to elaborate that point.
Firstly, thank you for giving me this chance. And my name is Shreya Surendra Kumar Mandal. I study in 6th class, but recently in April month I am going to 7th class. My hobbies are drawing and dancing. In my family there are 4 members: my sister, me, mother and father.
Okay, that is great, you have elaborated. So look, she is in the 6th class and look her confidence. She is building day by day her confidence level, her fluency, the way of presentation. Due to that we are conducting such in front of camera activity. That is the main motto. So beta, next question to you is, what are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strength is I am quick learner and best listener, but also my strength is that my parents, and secondly my weakness is failure. I am very feel nervous when I fail, but I think that fail is the first attempt of learning.
That is great, great. One thing she has mentioned like that, her strength is her parents. So my second question for you regarding that, with whom have you attached in your family, mother or father? Whom do you like most?
This is difficult question for me, but I like both my mother and father because they are important for me.
What are your goals in your life and what do you want to be in the future?
My goal is to become an IAS, and that's why I prepare notes from 7th class, and this is important. 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th is important for clear UPSC exam and become a collector.
Great, definitely one day you will be the collector. Okay, so right now you are in the 6th standard. Recently you have passed the 5th standard. If failure comes in your way, how do you handle that failure?
Firstly, I think that fail is the first attempt of learning. That's why I must study and hard work for that thing and give exam repeatedly, because when we give exam we get knowledge already from first exam. That's why second time I think I became a good.
Okay, great. So next question, you have to elaborate, you have to highlight the points regarding your daily routine, morning to evening, what will you and how do you spend your time? Okay.
Firstly, I wake up at 5 o'clock, then study 6 o'clock for, then brush and bath, then go to school, and my school time is from 7 to 2:30. Then I come to school, home. Then I am taking a lunch or other things. In that time, the time passes in 4 o'clock. Then I come to Cosmos Academy and then go to 6 o'clock. Then I join the abacus from 6 to 7, and then I get home and study. Then sleep at 10 o'clock.
That is the great, you have elaborated your daily routine in very short and you have brief about that one. So next question, which is your favorite subject and why do you like that subject to you?
My favorite subject is math and Hindi. Because Hindi is my mother tongue, and secondly math is important in everything, to calculation, or anything, like in all world the math is important.
Right now you have elaborated that your likes about that subject and that things, mathematics is indeed moral of that story also, okay?
My story name is Zero Became a Hero. Once upon a time there was great mathematician. He called all numbers for meeting. All numbers came except zero. The mathematician asked, "Where is zero?" All numbers don't know the zero. Mathematician said, "Go and found the zero." After searching long time, zero was finally found. Then the zero started crying. Then mathematician asked, "Why are you crying, Zero?" Zero said, "No one can play with me, no one value me, and no one likes to respect me." That's very wrong, mathematician. Then mathematician smiled, thought, and said, "One, please come right side of the zero." Then asked to all number, "What is the value now?" All numbers shouted, "It's 10, it's 10. Then again the mathematician called another zero to come and stand the left side of the zero. Then asked, "What is the value now?" Lastly, the all numbers shouted, "It's 100, it's 100. The value is increased by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, and etc. The moral of the story is be feel proud and be with anything. Thank you.